Hey, stop it. I done told you about that. Just when you think you have seen it all. The Dusty sink to an all new low. Now, I don't know if this is Billy under the floorboards Billy or little TT, it doesn't matter. But check this out. This man was just released from prison 13 days. 13 days. Check it out, folks. Look what happened. Fair use. Unbelievable. 13 days out of prison, okay? And guess what he decides to do?
Degree murder just 13 days after being released from prison for another offense. Court documents say that Philip Frazier had trouble adjusting to life out of custody, beat his roommate to death over the noises he made opening candy wrappers. Documents also say that Frazier said he knew this would happen and that he was going to go back to prison for the rest of his life.
He what? Killed his roommate over the sounds from candy. It's the kind I like. Unbelievable. It's all right. Remember Cameo Candy? Wow. Man killed his roommate 13 days after release from prison. Why? Because he got tired of hearing the sound of the man opening up the candy from the wrapper. That little paper. 13 days. He couldn't adjust. But we need prison reform. How many more have to die because we need prison reform? Well, you got prison reform and more people are dying and being savagely attacked. Let's face the reality. Some people put themselves there and they belong there. Why are you trying to save them? A man lost his life because of a piece of trash, not fit to be in society, cannot adapt, killed him, beat him to death because that sound of the wrapper from the candy wrapping, the paper, irritated him so I call bullcrap. No, you are an angry bird, an angry homicidal bird, angry bird. And you cannot get acclimated to freedom because dust buckets, regardless of their color of skin, I don't care if it's Mr. Wong doing wrong, Dusty Dan, a little hood man. A lot of Dusties, they don't like freedom. So if that's the case, he just should have stayed in there and said, hey, I want to stay here. Now what he should have done, just stayed in there. But he got out. And now someone has lost their lives. Why? Because the sound of that candy wrapper was irking him so? No. Bigger problems. This tells me this person is institutionalized by the prison. They want to be there. What do they say? Be careful what you wish. We need prison reform. Is that right? Another life has been lost because they let some idiot out of prison. He was out for how many days? 13 days after release. Killed his roommate. Let me know what you guys think. Dusties bring trauma. They bring death and drama. The financial implications is too much dust in the nation. And I'm out.